Applications are now open for Parole in Place, a new program aimed at protecting spouses of U.S. citizens without legal status. Today, Houston Immigration Legal Services Collaborative is hosting a free clinic to help those looking to apply. Here with me now in Studio A to talk more about the event and how you can apply for the program is Vickie Giambra, Legal and Advocacy Director for the organization. Good morning. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Good morning.
So for people not familiar with the purpose here, talk to us about how this works.
Sure, absolutely. Well, parole sounds kind of like a scary word.
Right.
Sometimes people think about it in maybe criminal context. This is really different. What parole means is it's permission to stay in the United States temporarily. So this is a program announced by President Biden in June, and it is for only U.S. Spouses of U.S. citizens. And so they will be able to apply to stay here and be able to do the legal things necessary to stay permanently as legal permanent residents.
Talk to us about challenges with this when it comes to executing a program like this.
Sure. Yeah, well, there's a lot of people married to U.S. citizens. These people have to have been here for 10 years. So since 2014, they've been in our community for a long time. Contributing to society in some way or fashion. Right, exactly. And so one of our challenges has been getting out to people and letting them know this is happening because it's kind of scary sometimes to think something like this is going to happen because it's actually a really positive thing.
Well, I know you mentioned this earlier. When you hear the word parole, you often think of crime. Has that been helpful or detrimental to the purpose here?
That's a really good question. I'm not sure about that. I'm used to the kind of legal terms. It's a very legal term, and I would say it's probably a little scary, but I think we need to think about it as a good thing, something that's really going to help people.
No, I think that approach is extremely necessary. I'm just thinking in this day and age with immigration being a hot topic and very controversial on how that could, either help or not help the purpose here. Tell us a little bit about the event you're hosting today.
Sure. Actually, the event started on Saturday. We had 60 people signed up and about the same amount of volunteers to help, so it was very, very well attended. And we started by helping people collect their information and documentation. It requires a lot of documentation. And then the applications are open today, so the event continues today to help people submit the application online and upload their documentation.
Is today the deadline after this?
It is not. Today is just the first day applications are open.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they'll be open for as long as we can see in the foreseeable future.
For more information, whether that be help, guidance, to learn more about the effort, where can folks go?
Sure, you can go to our website, which is houstonimmigration.org/PIP.
Okay, and we're going to make it extra easy for you. We'll put all of this information inside this article on our website, click to houston.com. Vickie, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you for having me.
We do appreciate it.